The undisputed leader of SUVs adds a new member to its family. Experience, awe-inspiring power, and cutting-edge style like never before. As the India management joins us again to unveil the new Legender. An exclusive headlamp design has been crafted for the Legender. Split quad LEDs with a waterfall LED line guide signature that will turn the darkest of nights into days with its brightness. For the alloy wheels, we came up with a strong yet dynamic wheel architecture supported by a multi-layered diamond cut finish which adds a sense of premium elegance. The Legender comes with a black roof that lends an exclusive two-tone look. Again, with Legender, the changes are not just skin deep. We have added some really cool tech features. To enhance the comfort and convenience of the existing power back door, we have equipped the Legender with hands-free tail swipe. It also comes with some really smart tech, like wireless charging for your smartphone, making your busy and power-packed day convenient and relaxed.
Like I mentioned before, there is more to discover than meet the ordinary eye with Fortuner and Legender, and I have only scratched the surface. What I'd request you all to do is to reserve a test drive and experience the power yourself. Thank you very much. Dhanyabad.
Thank you, Mr. Yoshiki Konishi, for bringing your vision to life. It's now time to find out what has made the Fortuner a leader of SUVs for over a decade. As Mr. Naveen Soni, Senior Vice President, Toyota Kirloskar Motor, takes us through the renowned legacy of the mighty Fortuner.
Happy New Year and a very good afternoon. Dear customers, our friends from the media and viewers, hope you are all safe. Toyota's journey in India began in 2005 with the Innova, which is based on the Innovative Multipurpose Platform, or IMV in short. It not only invented a new segment in India, but set benchmarks in the automobile industry. Not surprisingly, within a short time span, the Innova became an household name and frequent sights on the road. Thanks to the overwhelming love and acceptance our customers have shown, it became the most sought after multi-purpose vehicle one could imagine. As time went by, customer expectations began to change, and in 2009, we introduced the Fortuner in India for the first time based on the same innovative multi-purpose platform which embodies our philosophy of quality, durability and reliability. Built in the same plant from where I speak now, it's been an incredible journey for us as well as for the Fortuner. The efforts we put into building the Fortuner brand and carving a persona for it, and our belief in customer-first philosophy played an integral role in its success. Born with the true SUV DNA and built on the concept of art of power, the Fortuner was positioned as an urban SUV. The Fortuner brings together the perfect balance between off-road and on-road capabilities through the body-on-frame structure, which gives an exceptional torsional and bending rigidity along with 4x4 capabilities to drive on any road conditions. It provides extreme rigidity that results in extraordinary toughness and high stability in the harshest of environment. So no matter where you go, the Fortuner gives you a complete peace of mind. The Fortuner soon became the most desirable SUV in the country. In fact, it would be more accurate to say that it blazed new trails and created a segment of its own while captivating buyers with its powerful road presence and premium features. So much so that after its launch, it won over the hearts and minds of Indian consumers within no time. With every year of product refreshment, the Fortuner went from strength to strength, and as we enhanced its style quotient to complement its raw powers and off-roading capabilities. As the Fortuner became the talk of the town, it became one of the most favored drives in town and heads-turning with its stylish looks and garnered several awards in the process. In the coming years after that, the Fortuner ramped up the luxury and style quotient in its quest to transform into its current avatar. Its key positioning of true style, true SUV further enhanced and conveyed this fact. From 2009 to 2020, it's been a long journey for sure, but let me assure you, it's not over yet. In fact, it's just the beginning of a new era of the Fortuner as we introduce the new Legender and the new Fortuner. We understand that even today our customers crave for more power, and as a leader, now Fortuner has the highest torque and power in the segment, and thus we zeroed on the positioning of lead with power for it. And as for the Legender, its stylish counterpart, we wanted to amplify the design and stunning looks with the positioning of powered in style, where the customers experience the pinnacle of power, style and refinement and reach the zenith of their automobile experience cycle. To get a better understanding of what I am talking about, let me now unveil to you the Fortuner brand film.